Remember not to get too bogged down in the science and the backgrounds of the questions. We really just want to know, like, what are they overall saying? So in this case, they do a lot of sciencey words here. Artificially delivering biomolecules to plant cells is an important component of protecting plants from pathogens, but it is difficult to transmit biomolecules through the layers of the plant cell wall. So something is difficult, something is important. Those are the kinds of ideas that you need to take away, not the specifics of the science. This person and her colleagues have shown that it may be possible to blank this problem by transmitting molecules through carbon nanotubes, which can cross cell walls. Well, okay, they're saying it's difficult to go through the wall, but now it can go through them. So maybe this is where the science starts to come in, is when you see that they're making some sort of comparison. So, well, I would expect that they're saying here it may be possible to solve this problem, right? They're saying it can't be done, and now they're saying it can be done. So there's a clear contrast here. As far as that goes, then hopefully you're just going to jump to choice D. You're overcoming a problem. It's basically the exact same thing as solving it. The other words maybe are a little hard for you, but they don't make sense here. Illustrate just means show. So that's not really going to be positive or negative in terms of its connotation. If you show the problem, then you haven't done anything to solve it. They're trying to say here that they've solved it, or something is they've worked around it in some way. So this word is too neutral in this case. Neglect is too negative, right? They're not neglecting the problem, they're fixing it. So we do want something positive here, and overcoming is positive, where neglect is kind of getting away from it in a bad way. And then conceptualize is hard to define because it's a very conceptual word. If you're conceptualizing something, you're kind of like imagining it, but doing it in like maybe like a hypothetical way. Think of the word that's in there, the word concept. You're thinking of it as a concept, is kind of like a higher idea. It's hard to describe because it's just a weird word, and it definitely doesn't make sense here. Like, this is a good example of, yeah, maybe some of the wrong answers are strange, but the right answer is so obviously right that hopefully you can just kind of jump to that and be confident in that and move on.